Okay, today we're going to play true or false, even though I've written true or false up there, good grief. My true or false statement is nuclear bombs and nuclear in quotation marks don't exist. Not in a way that you have been told. So we have two equations to go through. You've got E equals mc squared or m plus E plus L. Matter plus energy, electricity equals electromagnetism, which is light and movement. Or you've got Einstein's pile of nonsense, which is energy is equal to matter times the speed of light. Now I've shown Einstein's equation to be total nonsense by understanding that energy and matter are separate. Because you've got there his real equation is, I think that's it, I'll have to have a check, is E equals PC squared times MC squared cubed. My apologies, it's not cubed at the end, it is squared, but for this purpose it's not even relevant. Which is energy is equal to potential light speed squared and matter times light speed squared cubed. Well, they're all energy. E is energy, PC is energy, and C squared is energy, because matter can't move unless energy moves it. So light speed is just a word that they have put there. No excuse for where it's coming from other than matter moves at the speed of light. Well, it doesn't. Matter doesn't move unless you put energy into it, and energy moves at the speed of light. So by my equation, energy and matter are separate, which totally shows that Einstein's equation is rubbish. Energy attracts matter, matter covers energy, energy moves matter. So let's have a look at my equation. So we've got M plus E equals L. Matter plus electricity equals electromagnetism, which is movement and light. The opposite of this is electromagnetism plus matter equals electricity, which is the power. Both of these. One rotates a magnet. If you rotate a magnet around a wire, you get electricity. And if you run electricity through a wire, you get electromagnetic movement. So what I've said is correct. Let's have a look at a nuclear bomb. Example, plutonium. It has many electrons, meaning it has a huge EM field when flooded with electricity. All nuclear bombs send electricity through the radioactive material. There is a cascade effect using O2 as fuel. That is it. Plutonium plus electricity equals a huge Ouroboros torus EM wave, pushing out wave after wave of light and matter. I've got a little drawing at the bottom there that kind of looks like the Death Star or a TIE fighter. That's because light shoots out as an arrow, and it does it in an Ouroboros torus Fibonacci ball sequence. Each one is just one single wave, and then as soon as the light has gone, we have a torus bubble, which if we go to the top right hand picture of all those wavy lines, I show the configuration of travel. Every single atom EM field, and every atom has an EM field, is expanded to the first picture. You've got two little up bits there, one going left, one going right, equals a double helix figure 8. It shoots upwards, spins around in a Lorentz force halo, drops to the ground, rotating inwards, sucks everything up and blows it into the sky. And I've got nuclear blast, smoke, water, fire, steam, sun and earth, and they show the direction of travel. Nuclear bombs go down, smoke goes up, water goes down, fire goes up, steam goes up. The sun has 2 inputs of energy, the earth has 2 inputs of energy. So with a double input you get an Ouroboros torus, and with a single input you get a Lorentz force halo. 2 Lorentz force halos, one up, one down, and you get your galaxy. So there we go. My equation is true. Einstein's equation is false because he has energy on both sides of his equation. That makes it a false equation. In fact, all he's got on both sides is energy, and then he throws in matter. That's like me saying I can make gold. Just give me some gold and some dirt and I'll give you back gold. So energy is not equal to matter plus energy plus energy plus energy cubed. It's impossible. It's a false equation, as people are starting to find out. My electromagnetic equation works. It is a true equation and is a full-on explanation for why nuclear bombs, which there's no such thing as a nuclear bomb, or radioactivity. There is only batteries containing energy. Plutonium can hang on to a hell of a lot of energy because it has so many electron orbits. You pump in energy, that field gets bigger, and it gets bigger at the speed of light, which is why energy attracts matter, matter covers energy, and energy moves matter. All the matter in the vicinity of the electromagnetic field is moved to the boundary. All energy moves to the boundary. So if all energy moves to the boundary and energy moves matter, all matter is moved to the boundary, and the plutonium boundary is 1/2 mile wide. There's your electromagnetic pulse bomb. That's why there's always an EMP with a nuclear bomb. Nothing to do with nuclear, it's an EMP, electromagnetic pulse, and energy moves matter. So there we go. My equation is true. Again, Einstein's shown to be a pile of garbage. Thanks very much. My name is Lee, and I'm a Christian.